Hello, my friends. So I just got done making some homemade cupcakes. They are Snores flavored. I got my marshmallow frosting. There's some filling on the inside. So I'm gonna taste it, and I just made it. It's fresh out of the oven. Well, I just put out the okay. I normally don't like chocolate cupcakes, but it's s'mores, so I trust it. These are delicious. I put filling on the inside there, you can see it. It's really good. I like it so much. I'm pretty proud of myself. I didn't know how to make cupcakes, so then I made some cupcakes because we just went to Walmart. And there's a lot of extra frosting, so I'm gonna eat some frosting later. Okay, so tomorrow, Jets fan, if you're watching this, turn it off right now because I have a surprise for you tomorrow. Well, during lunch. Well, or if you, I don't care if you watch. Okay. I hope I'm gonna try to bring a cupcake for Ryan so we can try it. I hope he likes it because he's gonna deal with my cooking later, or at least have to try it sometime in life. So I'm gonna force him to try it sometime because I hope we stay friends, best friends. But yeah, this is delicious. It's still hot though. I said caramel.